Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop watery eyes fast. I'll be going over some easy steps that you can use to stop your watery eyes quickly. Let's get right into the video. There are 5 things that you need to do. I'm going to try and go through these rather quickly, so just bear with me. And definitely the 5th one is something important to consider. So stay tuned for all 5 and you'll get the best benefit from watching this video, the maximum benefit from watching this video. Number 1 is to use a warm washcloth compress. So you want to get a warm washcloth, okay, not hot, not cold, but warm, and you want to apply that warm washcloth compress on your eyes. So just sort of press it down against your eyes. If only one eye is watery, you can only do it to one eye. If both eyes are watery, do it to both eyes, okay? Hold it there for like a minute or so, and you should see some results, and it'll also make you feel a lot better in general. It's just like a nice meditative thing to do, meditative, so like something with regards to meditation. Number 2, get some extra sleep. My eyes are watery when I lack sleep. Last night I got about 4.5 hours of sleep, and I've been running on only a little bit of sleep for the last few nights in a row. So essentially my eyes are watery right now, plus my contacts are dry. But get some extra sleep because it will truly help reduce your watery eyes. Number 3, rinse your eyes with water. Literally get water and rinse your eyes. Sometimes there might be something caught in your eye or underneath your eyelid, and by rinsing your eyes with water, it's going to get rid of that thing, which will hopefully reduce your watery eyes in general. Number 4, deal with seasonal allergies. So if you have seasonal allergies, you want to deal with those allergies. Close the windows, change the humidifier, change the filter, not the humidifier, the filter in your air handler, in your furnace system, whatever the case is, or your air conditioning system. Change the filter because it might have all, allergenic stuff caught in it. Do whatever you have to do. There's allergy medications to do whatever you have to do to deal with your seasonal allergies. And last but not least is number 5, which is to consider special eye drops. So essentially there are special eye drops out there. They might work for you, they might not, but you should consider those special eye drops because, they do work sometimes, but definitely you might want to consult a medical professional before you deal with eye drops. Especially if you're having a watery eye problem, you might want to talk to a medical professional, see what their opinion is. But a lot of times they might recommend for you a special type of eye drops that will deal with watery eyes. So just consider it and look into it to your own extent that you feel comfortable with. But that's it. That's how to stop watery eyes fast. Some easy steps, 5 easy steps to be precise. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.